Hey, it's H here, and on today's video we're checking out Bitcoin. Last time we checked Bitcoin on the large time frame and really high time degree in Elliott Waves, and this time I think we should be focusing more on this wave structure here. I'm thinking we need to create another video again for this current events going on right now. But I think it is important to see the bigger picture here, what is happening around since around the low of December 2018, and also the 2020 March crash, and after that what is going on. So last time I think we left off somewhere around these ballparks. Again, going over this fast is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2. I think I had this on a different degree though, but I'm now more shifted to that this is actually primary degree instead of the intermediary. So just to note that. Again, on 1 then 2 with the ABC, then another impulse wave up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are many ways to get up here. Definitely not going to be showing all of them. Here's a couple different ones. So we can have a third here, fourth here, and then we can have, let's go to 4 hours, maybe you can see the substructure a bit better. Hide this guy here. So we can have a 1 minor 2, then minute 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 here because of this structure around here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3, 4 into 5 of third minor 4, 5, which ends the intermediary count as well into the third of primary. Now again here we can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 2, 3, 4 and 5 on the sideways. I didn't mark it because it's going to be pretty small and this is going to get too cluttered, this chart. Another one saying that, let's check out the big picture again. So is that this is actually the fourth currently on the way. Another idea is that we've actually completed the 4, and with this in mind we would be coming down real deep, and this invalidation is actually not right, but this would be a really big correction, as this would be, actually I don't even see it on this chart, but it would come down real fast. This would be ending a cycle move, so yeah, that would be a really big drop, but we can monitor this as well as time goes on, if this is even logical at all. Now here's the only bullish way I guess I could find. I didn't go too much into detail here yet on this video. I'm not going to. Again here primary 3, ABC down into this 4th. Now this count is saying that the 5th of primary is not done, but we actually bottomed the primary 4 here. Now the invalidation of course is here just below this low. If we go down below here, this count is invalidated, but for now we can crush some different counts here, multiple different ways to get 5 waves into this structure, multiple waves to get down from this structure. Unfortunately there is so many options currently on Bitcoin that it is unfortunate, to be honest. but this is definitely a possibility. It is also possible that we would have bottomed here on 2. Now the structures and subwaves on this are not particularly helpful with this count, saying that this is actually an impulse here. Is possible, but it just looks more as a 3-wave move. Now, saying that, there is another way to see this again. So these are bearish ideas for now, and let's do this way. I'm gonna hide that one. So primary 4 ongoing, and here we had topped here on the primary 3, then WXY down here with A or W waves. Now I added this W as a possibility as well here. It's one of these, not sure which one. We'll see how this last one behaves, but for now, if this is a B, the B would be here. To me, it looks better if we actually end this minus C here on the 21st or 20th October last year, and then just have this ABC into WXY, and this again can be 1 degree lower, as the Y wave would be expected more downside, and as is, we would be expecting a possibility of something like this, where this move is linkable to this by this correction or some kind of wave structure between these bigger downwards movements. Now this is definitely an option, and to me this is, I think, my primary or main count that I look forward to the most and see as the most probable. Now let me put this back into, say, here, and then another option here. Let's close that one. It is this one here. So this one is the triangle, big triangle, A, B, C, D, E, and these all should be, or basically all should be zigzags. That is the reason why we have the 5th here, and we are forced to have this weird ending diagonal here. It is valid, I guess, but it is definitely not not looking good or good looking. Either we have the WX here on these 2 lows or highs, or we can have them here. Again, it is not pretty either way. This structure is weird, whichever way you want to play it. I've even seen this structure labeled ending here sometimes, or even here. So it is definitely quite an odd structure without a specific one true count, I guess you could say. But with this triangle, I have to say that the RSI are not really supporting it too much. We see a high here. Yeah, again, this one is higher. Low here, but it is higher or lower than this one here, or these two both. So it's not really looking too good for this, but it is possible, I guess. So we would be waiting for the D wave here, and this looks like some kind of a complex correction, maybe double zigzag or triple zigzag possible, on this to get us up to the D point here. Now, as this start of this A wave here, intermediate A, started here, it is lower than the B, but that is possible. The invalidations of course are here above B, below C and A. Below C reduces the likelihood of this being a triangle, but this can again go lower. Then we would need to just look at the sub waves of this structure and see if this is actually possible anymore. Currently still possible. Is there something else? I think those are the basic ones that I wanted to show you today. And currently, just looking at this structure, we could have some kind of triangle going on here, but I think I need to make another video for that case. And if you would like me to cover a certain asset, crypto or stock, please let me know down in the comments below, so I can put that again on the list. But yeah, I think Bitcoin is one of those that I will definitely be updating soon on this short time movement and see if there's more possibilities for shorts or longs. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.